Hey, this is Michael from 256 Mike on YouTube. Okay, so every time you're driving your car, this is my Dodge Neon, and it's spinning, you are hearing like metal scraping with metal, and it feels like it's your hubcap, right? That your bearings are out. Well, it's not. Sometimes I'm going to show you, and it's hot. Wow. I'm going to show you guys what it is half of the time. You see that little metal plate right there? Okay, let me show you. You see that right here? This little metal plate that goes on the brake. What happened is this thing bent in and starts scraping on the inside of your rotor. And if your rotor is bent or anything, then you will hear that noise, like scraping. You feel me? So that's all you have to look, that's to check your brake. Before you go buying rotors and anything, just through the outside of the wheel, you can look at your brake and look at this little metal plate thing on the brake. If it's touching, because look, I still got brake pad on this. If you're going to see it's bent, and it will be scraping on your rotor. All you got to do is take some pliers or something and just push it out. Pull it. Boom. And then that's it. You see? And perfect. All right. Well, this is Michael. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and share my video. Thanks for watching.